Game Pass, fix Subnautica 2 not launching, crashing, fatal error, not loading, freezing, black screen on PC. 1. Restart your PC and Xbox app, close Subnautica 2 completely, end Xbox app tasks from Task Manager. Restart your PC before launching again. 2. Check Game Pass subscription. Open Xbox app or Microsoft account. Make sure your Game Pass subscription is active. Sign back into your Xbox account if needed. 3. Repair Xbox app and gaming services. Open settings, apps, installed apps, repair Xbox app from advanced options. Also repair gaming services. 4. Reset gaming services. Open gaming services settings. Click reset option. Restart your PC afterward. 5. Verify and repair game files. Open Xbox app, go to Subnautica 2, manage files, click verify and repair. 6. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Restart your PC after updating. Relaunch the game afterward. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS, and RGB software. Free up RAM before launching the game. 8. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type wsreset.exe, and press Enter. Wait for Microsoft Store reset to complete. 9. Delete corrupted cache files. Backup, save files before deleting anything. Remove damaged cache config files carefully. Relaunch the game to regenerate fresh files. 10. Reinstall the game if needed. Uninstall Subnautica 2 completely. Restart your PC fully. Reinstall the game from Xbox Game Pass again.